paints the sky with shades of gold. Coffee cup in hand, stories yet untold. The same old streets, but I'm feeling new. Walking through the rhythm of a life I knew. Sometimes it's heavy, sometimes it's light, but I keep on moving through the dark and bright. It's just another day in my life, trying to find the love, trying to find the light. With every breath, every step I take, I'm learning more about the dreams I made. Oh, it's just another day, but I'm grateful anyway. Faces pass like rivers flowing by. Some bring tears, some bring a smile so wide. I hold my heart, I keep it close and tight. In this quiet battle of wrong and right, sometimes the way feels too much to bear, but I find my peace in the midnight air. It's just another day in my life, trying to find the love, trying to find the light. With every breath, every step I take, I'm learning more about the dreams I made. Oh, it's just another day, but I'm grateful anyway. No fame, no fortune, just the simple things, like the song my heart quietly sings. In the ordinary, I find my grace. Just another day, but a sacred place. It's just another day in my life, trying to find the love, trying to find the light. With every breath, every step I take, I'm learning more about the dreams I made. Oh, it's just another day, but I'm grateful anyway. Yeah, just another day in my life, but I'm grateful anyway. Free. The leaves are falling, but I'm rising high. Shook off the shadows, left the pain behind. Every storm I weathered taught me to believe. Now the sun is shining, there's a brand new me. I've been broken, I've been low, but I found my strength, I let it show. Like the river running to the sea, this is my time, my destiny. New season, a new me, I'm stepping out in victory. No more chains, I'm finally free. This is my moment. New season, tomorrow.